In this video I'm going to show you how to create viral SMS campaigns. As usual, click on My SMS Campaigns and then select Viral at the top here. To create a new viral campaign, simply click on the Create New Viral Campaign orange button here. I've already created one and I'm going to show you how I've done it. First of all, step 1, describe your campaign and message. I've called it Viral Demo. Tracking info is as usual. You can specify a number or a name for tracking purposes. Keyword, in this particular example I've chosen pizza. If you have a short code then you can use that instead. Get 10% off your next delivery by showing this text to your driver. And then here what you want to do is put an expiry date, and I'll explain how that works later on in this video. If the person has already taken advantage of this deal, then they'll receive this text message instead. Click Save when you're done. Step 2, Deal Sharing Message. Immediately after they've received their first message for the discount, they will also get a second message which offers them a chance to get their next meal free. In order to get started, they will need to text the keyword share as is specified in this message here. Once they do that, they will then receive a reply share code message. You can choose how many people will need to receive this code in order for the offer to be redeemed. Scrolling down here shows you the winning number. This number must be the same as the winning number. Once they've shared the code with one of their friends, they will receive this message. The variable percent to go percent will change automatically depending on how many shares they've done. Likewise, this variable here, percent code percent, will do the same. A random code will be generated by the system. Finally, once they've got the required number of shares, they will receive a winning message. Click Save once you finish this. Next, you need to choose a unique phone number on the system. I've already done that here, and click Save once you're done. You can also offer an expiration date. As I mentioned earlier on in the campaign section, I put in a variable percent date percent, and this is where you put in the number of days that the redemption is available for. Click Save once you're done. This is optional. You can turn it off by clicking No. I'm going to leave it as active. Finally, another option is to receive notification when somebody has shared the required number of codes in order to receive their free meal. In this case, I'm selecting SMS. This can be the mobile number of your business. Finally, when someone has shared the code with the required number of friends, you can also receive notification either via email, text or robo-voice. And these are how you fill in the fields. If you choose SMS, then you need to select your office number here. So you can specify the phone number of the winner by putting the variable percent phone number percent here. If you want to choose email, then fill in the appropriate variables in these fields here. Using robo-voice means you will receive a voice with one of either US or UK male or female to the specified number. I'm going to leave it as SMS. In advanced campaigns, you can specify an autoresponder message. Let me show you how that works. If you click Yes and then Save, you can add in autoresponders. This has been covered already in the first video, setting up an SMS campaign. Note that you can actually share variables within the messages and specify the number of days that the offer is available. In this particular case, I've sent the initial message after 120 minutes. I'll click on plus, then I'm going to give this message a title. I'll call it message 0, and if I specify 0 here, and it will allow me to put in a number of minutes. So for example, if I want a message to go out 10 minutes after the share campaign has started, I can put a message here. And I can use the date variable to say how many days this offer is valid. In this case I've chosen 4. That's viral SMS campaigns done.